pot, and today we will make a plastic bottle pot. What do we need? Okay, let's check it out. We need plastic bottle and take the bottom of the bottle. Cut by scissors. Straw, plastic straw, origami or white paper. Step. First, we cut the bottom of the bottle. Be careful. You can ask your mom how to cut this bottle. Next, we put the straw in the middle of the bottle. To stick it, we can use a piece of cardboard and stamp it by sticky tape. Okay, like this. Because it's too long, we can split the straw into two, and you can choose which one because we only need one of the straw. And then stamp it to the cardboard by sticky tape. It's for the sale. We can stamp origami paper on this straw to make it sale. Okay, use the paper origami. If it's too big, we can cut it and leave it like a triangle. It's too big for our board, so we can fold it like this and stamp it to the straw by sticky tape. Okay, our super simple sailing boat has done, and we can play it on the water.